Hello everyone, ito po yung tinatawag nilang landmark and Yokohama Ferris wheel also. Ayan, then air cabin. Oh my god, as you notice, makikita nyo po si air cabin. Wow. Then Ferris wheel. Yeah, so nice. Over there. Okay na, we gonna go. Wow. So very hot already here in Japan. Around 10 AM. Grabe. Napakainit na. So nice. So we're just walking around and taking some photos. Okay, I'm taking some photos and videos para i-share ko po sa inyo na dito sa Yokohama, napaka-famous po. Ayan yung bus dumaan. Yes. I remember that bus. Ah, this bridge is also Yume or famous. Kasi nga po maraming mga tourist people went here. Air cabin also. Then the famous also this one, Nikono building. Landmark Tower. So nice. Okay na, we gonna go. And also this one here. Ang ganda ng ng view. So, ayan. Share ko lang po sa inyo. That's it. Diyan eh.